In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle the SEO and take control over how your website appears in the search result pages for Google and other search engines for your BuddyPress WordPress website. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So you know what All-in-One SEO is? What is BuddyPress? And why would you want to use it? Well, if you're watching this video, you probably already know. But if you don't, BuddyPress is a plugin that essentially allows you to turn your WordPress website into a social media site. So it kind of allows you to create your own little Facebook. It's not Facebook. It's not affiliated with Facebook in any way. In fact, it is open source. But it essentially lets you turn your WordPress website into a social media site. So let's say you were a college or university and you wanted to have a social networking site like Facebook, but you wanted it to be private just for your school or university. You could install BuddyPress and turn your WordPress website into a private social media website. So if you have All-in-One SEO and you've worked with All-in-One SEO in the past, you know it gives you incredible granular control over the SEO of your website. Well, now you can do those same kind of things. You can take control of the search appearance of your BuddyPress WordPress website. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So one of the first things you should do once you've installed All-in-One SEO is control the search appearance of your website, basically how your website is going to look in Google search results and other search engines in their search result pages. So to do that, we head on over to the All-in-One SEO section and we click on the link, not surprisingly, that says Search Appearance. This is where you can control how your home page appears. We got a little preview here showing you what that will look like. Knowledge graph for your website. Everything related to your home page. Back up top, there's some tabs here. And if we click on the one that says Content Types, this is where you can control what your post will look like in the search results. So this is where you're setting up your defaults. And of course, you can change this on any individual post. We have the same thing for pages. If you had a WooCommerce store, we have the same thing for products as well. Here's the pages section. Here's the stories section because I'm using Google Web Stories on this website. Locations because I have local SEO turned on. But now we're giving you the ability to have that same type of control with BuddyPress. So this is showing me BuddyPress activities. We also allow you to control BuddyPress groups and BuddyPress members. So let's take a look at the BuddyPress activities first. The first thing you'll see here is show in search results, yes or no. The default is yes. Unless you don't want this part of your website index, then you want to leave that on yes, but it's very easy to turn it off. Just click on no. I'm going to leave mine on yes because I do want that to be seen. And then below that, we have activity title. So this is giving you all of the same smart tags that you can use in your pages, in your post, in your homepage. You'll find these smart tags throughout All-in-One SEO, and you can control them for your BuddyPress activities. So mine is saying activity action, separator, and site title. So we're seeing a placeholder here that says sample activity action. My separator is this vertical bar and demo site. I like that. But let's say we wanted to also include the current year. So I can go in here, view all of my smart tags, and I'm just going to search for year. And I'm going to drop in current year, but I don't want it to be 2024 sample activity action. I want it to say sample activity action 2024. So I'm going to delete that. And then I'm just going to move my cursor to after the activity action and go ahead and look for that year tag again. So now we have sample activity action 2024 demo site. I like that. Meta description, we're going to use the activity content. I like that as well. So I'm going to leave that. I've gone ahead and customized my BuddyPress activity. In addition to the ability to customize the title and description, you can also select what kind of schema markup you want to use for your BuddyPress activities. So if I click on that, schema type is web page type is set to web page. By the way, if you don't go in here and change anything, just by installing All-in-One SEO, the SEO for your BuddyPress activities will be handled. The defaults for All-in-One SEO are very good. We give you granular control, but if you did nothing and just left this alone, the defaults are pretty good. Under schema type, we have web page selected, but we could have article, we'd have course, we could have movie. This is a BuddyPress activity, so it wouldn't make any sense to use movie. So I'm going to leave it as web page. And when you select web page, you get this other option here under web page type, whether it's a collection page, profile, item page, FAQ page. I'm going to leave it on web page, but that disappears if we use something else like product, for example, then you don't have that web page type. So I'm going to leave mine on web page. And then under advanced, you can say if you want to use the default settings for your robots, or you can deselect that and say no index, no follow, no archive, one of these other options. I'm going to use the default settings. Below that, we have the same option for BuddyPress groups. Again, no and yes. I'm going to leave it on yes. Of course, I want this indexed. I want it to show in Google search results. If this was a private website, for example, and you only wanted people from your university to see that, you could select no here. But maybe you want to do something like show your BuddyPress activities, but not make your groups publicly available and indexable in Google. We give you granular control over that. So you could say no and turn that off here. Here's a preview, just like we saw above in the activities section. And the default is group name, separator, site title. So let's say in this example, I don't need to show the separator name and site title at this point. If they're already into a BuddyPress group, they know what website they're on. We don't need to show that in Google. So I'm going to get rid of site title and separator. You can also input custom information here, just like you can anywhere else in All-in-One SEO. So if I just wanted to say Blake University Group, and then it would say Blake University Group as the default for all of the group titles. I don't want all of the group titles to say that. I want to use the group name, so I'll delete that and click on the smart tag again for the group name. Group description, I'm using the group description, but again, we have all of these smart tags available that you could use for the group description. It's the same story with the schema markup and advanced. I'm going to leave web page. Advanced, I'm going to leave the default robot settings. And then finally, for BuddyPress members, same options, title and description, schema markup and advanced. So again, with members, we have the member name. In my case, it's Matt, the separator, and the site title. Again, this is fully customizable. So I'm going to remove separator and replace that with the word from and a space. And now it says Matt from demo site. So if this was a university website, it could have your username from the name of your university. So in that fictitious Blake University example I used, this would say Matt from Blake University. Below that, we have the description. Once again, I'm just using author bio here. I like that. I'm not going to change it. And that's really all there is to controlling the search appearance of your BuddyPress installation. When you're done making changes, make sure to click the blue Save Changes button to save your changes, and you're done. So that's how to handle the SEO of your BuddyPress WordPress website. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to integrate Facebook into your website. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.